This is the problem. Actually, I'm facing continuous problem in network. My screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
We'll open Given Labs Promax so that we'll run some simulation for our generated structure. First tutorial is lysosome in water. Second, when we'll dock and protein ligand complex. And these are the two things that you should do for, first of all, for the stability of the structure, and second, for after docking the structure is still stable or not. What will we do? We'll see this lysosome in water. Means in its exact condition where we need to remove water molecules or to add water molecules, or what is the stability of that structure, how we will know about that structure is stable or not. If structure is stable, then we can select that structure for our drug designing purpose. Okay, so first of all, how we'll start this tutorial? First, I'll just show you this tutorial. After that, Nishant will perform this tutorial in Linux system, because I don't have any access right now for Linux. But Nishant, as we have discussed earlier, you should I'll guide you, and you should perform those commands, these same commands on that Gromax command line. Okay, using Linux system. So this is the lysosome tutorial. This is the Gromax tutorial. Here are some 7 steps. First is to generate topology. Second is solvation. Third is add-ins, then energy minimization, then equilibrate those things, and then production of molecular dynamics. This is the main step for checking the stability of a structure. And final part is the analysis. Okay, final part is the analysis of that particular what we have performed by using this Gromax. First of all, we need to install this Gromax version 5.5, which is, I think, the latest version. Maybe other may also be available, but you should install this Gromax 5.5. And by typing this gmx help on command line or gmx-h, you can see how many commands you can see, many commands that can be helpful for your performance of a structure. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, first of all, here he has written grep minus v hohiak. This is basically, sometimes we need, if we want to remove some molecules, but if we don't want to remove, we can ignore this. Okay, see here, to delete the water molecules residues HOH in the PDB file, we can basically clean these water molecules by, if we need to clean water molecules, if our structure is not present in this cytosol, if it is in membrane, if it is in cytosol, we need to remove that water molecule, or we need those water molecules. Okay, we should use this command if we want to remove the water molecule. Grep minus v hoh from, basically this is the grep command of the Linux, where we will remove hoh, means some residues of water molecules, from this available structure. This is the PDB structure. And what will be our output? Our output is whatever we will name the structure. In this tutorial, he has given clean.pdb, means 1 AKI clean.pdb. By using grep minus v hoh from this structure, we'll get this clean PDB file, clean structure. Okay, this is the first command that Nishant will do today. Okay, then for our next command, what will we do? When we'll go to add some topology, we'll see Gromax. GMX is basically Gromax, basically protein data bank structure to Gromax. Our clean structure will output will be our that will give it for adding the topology dot, we should give it name .gro, and water space, means if it is available in water, or what are the conditions, whatever you want. And then it will give you some 15 to 16 fields, means what type of fields you want to add. Okay, Nishant, which field you have selected?
Yes, sir.
Which field, 13 or 15?
Sir, 15.
15. Okay, no problem. It depends what kind of work you are doing. These we should read these fields, but almost we use only 13 or 15 field. But in this tutorial, he has mentioned we'll type 15. Okay, that's why I think you have selected this only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Was
Yeah, just select this OPLS force field. You will see this, and then you will type 15. Then it will perform for next step. Then we have, firstly we have clean our file. We'll selected our force field. Now we'll go for the topology. For topology, what will we do? There is a second command. You should read this, please. This is basically about topology. Yes, what is the when we are going to perform some saves? You know what is saves? Basically, Ramachandran plot means what is the topology of that structure? Is it stable? Is not stable? There are some loops or other things. Okay. So we have generated this topology by select, means we have selected some force fields that will compress that structure or whatever things it will do. So our next step is to select the particular box using edit config. Box means in the particular area where we'll with some will select some particular space in which we'll try to check that structure is compact or not. If that structure is compact, then we can select. If not compact, then but it maybe 99% cases it will be compact structure because we have already validated that structure. We'll use our next command, this command. Okay, then this command is basically, this is the result from our previous command, and it will give us next result, this new box .gro. Okay, then we can fill water if we need, and we'll add some solvent, means solvent. We'll add some water in order to check its stability, and our result output that is from this edit config, that is 1 AKI new 1.gro. Now we will perform by gmx solvate cp this GRO, and our output is 1 AK solvate, means solvate salvation has been completed in this process. No, Nishant, please perform these 2 or 3 commands so that they can easily understand what I'm saying. I'll stop sharing my screen. You should perform these 4 commands at least. Okay.
sir, by using the same protein is 1 AKI?
No. You can use any protein, but you should be aware of the name or format what you are doing. You can use 1 AKI as well, no problem.
Oh, okay, sir.
I'm stopping my presentation so that you can show by using Linux system. So from first stage, you should tell them how to select the path of a particular protein. Select any other protein. Don't select this 1 AKI, means whatever protein you have generated. Either select any other protein. Maybe type actin, because Partha has worked on this actin protein. Just type actin, you can get any protein.
Sir,
Yeah, 4PL7. Yeah, just download this file. But download in GZ format, okay? Download this structure.
PDB GZ format.
Yeah, PDB format is also okay. No problem.
PDB.
Yeah. Yeah, PDB structure has been downloaded. Now select this structure in GROMACS and give the path of this structure.
Sir, actually, I have created files in I prepared my basically directory in document folder.
No
So,
problem, no problem. That depends how much you are assessing these through documents or you are assessing from a desktop. Just place one at one place and make a folder so that all results are visible to each and everybody. Okay. Okay. Now open
so
command line and try to start. Yeah. Now he is giving the path cd documents because he has placed this protein structure in documents, cd documents, no cd actin, I think. Just press tab. Yeah. Now,
and
start with Gromex. From the first. Copied this command and placed. But the name of your structure is not AKI.
yes, sir.
Your name of the structure is, just open that structure. That is 4p
L7.
dot pdb. Yeah, just write. Okay, and clean, please rename. Now enter. Okay. Now this is our clean file. We got this clean file in same folder. This is the clean file. Okay. No problem. No need to open this file. Just file is clean now. Okay. You have removed. Now our second step is this. But be careful about the names. He got the clean file 4pl7 dot underscore clean dot pdb. Minus F, please. Select minus F. Yeah, change this name as well. Yeah. Enter. Now select the force field 15. Okay, no type topology is writing in this structure for our next process. Okay, it's completed. Okay, and ignore these things. There are some errors, fatal errors, because this is beside this line. We should proceed and check our folder so that our output is there or not. Just check your folder. Output is here. Yes. See, where is the output?
So these are the output files from actin, like topol.top, which is in 0-byte base actually.
Okay, you have not selected particular chain. There are some separate chains A and B.
Okay.
Okay, just try to find the structure with a single chain. Actually, we have selected a structure with some chains.
It's
Just show me again folder process.gro is empty file. Show me your command. What command you have given? Process 4pl7 process.gro water space. Okay, it's showing some problem in this place. Okay, select another chain.
So
Open this structure in, yeah, open this open this structure in pdb, this pymol, so that I'll see that there is a single chain or some double chains, because the results will be same if there is a double chain.
I think Pymol is not there in this Linux system.
Okay, just download FASTA sequence and open this FASTA sequence. There are two chains, chain A and chain B. See,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Try to find a structure with a single chain.
Yeah, 4 chains.
No. Because we have generated the structure with a single chain in modular.
Sir, is there any way कि हम ऊपर से इसको without downloading the sequence we can predict कि either it is in chain, single chain or multiple chain?
Partha, do you have a structure? Just try to forward the structure, that same structure actin.
Yeah, I'll tell the name.
Yeah, just try to forward the structure. Nishant, just provide your email address so that Partha will forward
I'll just
his
tell the
structure.
name here.
Okay.
Nishant, can you try 1D4X?
1B4X.
No, 1D for dog. Just try this.
This is in multiple, two chains are there, chain A and chain G.
There are two chains, okay. Everybody try to find the structure with a single chain. But Partha, you should forward your structure, your actin. Either I'll forward that.
Actin, yeah, but I just have the name of that. 1QZ5 new 5 Nishant.
Just try that.
1QZ5. Z for zebra. Z, yeah. Not sure this is.
This is in a single chain. We can try this. Alpha skeletal.
Yeah. Just try this. Either you can download the same structure as well. No problem. There is just a change of name. Yeah, delete these files. Whatever we got that for that actin. You were in the same path. Why you are changing it again? Okay, no problem.
Nice.
Maybe, sir, there is some error. Again, getting the file in 0 bytes.
Which file in 0 bytes?
Topol.top.
Topology. Just select 13. Force again type that and select 13.
Right.
Again, there is a fatal error. See,
Again with the same error.
okay, delete these files and start from GMX PDB to GMX without cleansing. Maybe this structure is not, don't have any water molecules or other residues. Just delete. Now start with GMX PDB to GMX. Yes, this, don't grab.
This one?
Directly. No. Leave this.
Okay. This.
Yeah, this. Water space. Okay. Now change the name because this is not a clean PDB file.
Okay.
This is the simple file that you have downloaded.
So for that, I have to delete this one AKI underscore screen.pdb.
No. Just change the name. Here you should put the name of the structure that you have downloaded. Yeah, remove this clean dot. This is IQZ5.pdb.
Okay, sir.
IQZ5.pdb. Yeah, this is the name of the structure, I think. Remove this as well, underscore clean. Yeah. Now enter. 1QZ5.pdb. Yeah, enter.
With 15 command?
Try 30 first 15 and then we'll try 13 as well if we are not successful. Okay, see,
File is still in 0 bytes.
just 13. Type 13.
So again, same results, 0 bytes.
Okay, no issue. Just try. Okay, you not got any process.0. Okay, I'll send you another structure. Maybe some. Show me the chain of this structure. 1Q Z5.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. At the end, yeah, please drag. There is no drug as well. Why it's doing so? No problem. We'll see again. 1 minute. Let me check. Try with the example structure that they have provided. This tutorial has provided. Try with that as well. So that I'll find what is the difference and what is the issue. Installation is okay or not.
So what command I have to give for to go back to document directory?
No. You are already in document actin.
Actually, I have created a new folder for the basic example file.
Okay. Then just type cd dot dot and then give the path. Not cdd, only cd dot dot. Now you are in, what is this? Cd single dot. cd space only. What is this? Why this is happening in this system? Okay.
Now
Now
it
you are
is-
in the directory. Yeah. In Windows. cd. Type cd. cd documents. Just tab. Press tab.
So it's not working.
Now the folder you have created, just go in that folder. Okay, now try to run this. Enter. 15, enter. See the results? Yeah, there is a result. It means there is a problem in some structure chains, or there may be some drug in that particular structure. No problem. This is fine. No, we'll proceed with this. Then we'll check what is the problem with other structures. Currently, we should learn the things. Okay. Now, a second. This type of file is already available that we have seen. Now, for solvation, yes, just type Control C. Yeah. Now we'll get new box.gro. Okay, see in that folder. Yeah, new box.gro file has been generated. One AKI new box.gro. It has been created there.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now move for the third step, where we have to solvate that particular below this command. Yeah. Solvation. I'm sure you will face lot of troubles in for structures, validation of those structures, but you should find how to clear those things by generating these examples. Okay. No results are okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Then move for the third step, that is a TPR file. But for this file, I think you need some .trp file. A minute, I'll see again. Now, in this next step, you should add some ions. Okay, adding ions. This is the third step, adding ions. From where you have to add the ions? So just open that B1 Lab tutorial, Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just open. See, here is a basically control. Just type Control F, means find. No need to find, I think. In 1, 2, 3. In the fourth paragraph, last. In the fourth paragraph, last, where it has been written an .mdb file is normally used to run energy minimization or an MD simulation. Yes, here, just click this here and download the file. Download this file and save this file in the same directory. Just clicking save as, just right click and save as.
So I'm not getting
No. Back. Just go back. Yeah. Go, yes, save as, save link as. Yes. Save. Just click on save. Right side up on the folder. Now see that this MDB file has been saved or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this has been saved in this folder. Now we have add the ions. Now we will assemble this by using GMX for our next command. It will take some time. No, okay, it's very fast in your system. Very nice. Okay, no problem. Yeah, this is fine. Now again, atomic level description for binary files will again, yes, copy this command. What it is doing inside this field, if anybody want to understand that, please go through this modular tutorial. You will get why we are using these commands. But in general, for learning the technique, we'll say we'll just solve this. We'll just generate topology. We'll and minimize its energy, and we'll produce molecular dynamics and simulations only. This is the general. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Okay. Yes, here we have to select 13th group. Please write these things so that each and everything should be clear. Okay. Now, next step is energy minimization. Next step is energy minimization, where we should use some input parameter. Here in the third line, yeah, using this save link as, yes, just save link as with the same that we have added ein, save link as same. Now see, this file is saved or not? Yes, this has been saved. Okay. This is minimum. Basically, we are going to energy minimization minimum.mdp. Now use this command. Now EMTPR file has been generated. Yes, it has been generated already. Now go for GROMACS molecular dynamics run, GMX MD run. And then we'll check that energy has been minimized, means potential energy has been minimized or not. Okay. And you have installed that particular tool for viewing the graph or not? I think I have told you last time. Just enter. Yeah. Now it's running. This is the steps for GROMACS for energy minimization. After the results, we'll check. It will take some time. No problem. Nishant, you have installed this XM Grace?
Yes, sir. That software, as I discussed with you, that I have tried once this basics example self. So that time I have created these files like by these commands.
Yes. No problem. This is the same. That's why today I told you to run these things, because you have previously discussed with me, no?
Yes,
that's the thing. Yeah. Now run energy potential.xvg. Next command. Then we'll see the graph. Okay, 10 potential energy. Yes. Okay. Now, where is the result? The result will be in the form of potential.xvg in this folder. Yeah. Basic, yeah, that will be potential.xvg. Yeah, just open with Grace. No, open with Grace. We'll see the graph. Yeah. Just open with that Grace software, na? Yes. Open with Grace. Grace. Yes. Select.
XM case potential.x, which is ready.
Yes, just click on this. Maybe it will be open in this Grace only.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah, this is the Grace. Okay. Now see, the energy is minimized, which is similar as provided in our tutorial. Okay. Now our next step should be to equilibrate. We'll equilibrate. Okay. Now we should select some, like we have added ein, we have minimized our energy. Now what will we do? We'll add a file which is NVT, means what is the pressure, what is the temperature, because we are going to simulate. That's why this is the NVT file, volume, temperature for a particular system. Okay, so Here, I think in the third paragraph, get the .mdb file. Yes, save link as. In the same way, NVT, this is basically temperature, volume, constant number of particles, for example, volume and temperature. This is the NVT file. Now this has been downloaded. Now run the command so that we'll see the temperature. Previously in first step, we have seen the graph of potential energy. In this step, we'll see the graph of temperature. Okay, very nice. Now MD run, same. This is the again MD run for temperature. Means for MD, this NVT file. Very nice. It will take some time. I know that. Like,
Sir,
in
actually,
previous.
it
Yes,
usually
yes,
takes
please.
sometimes it takes 15 minutes or 20, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I think. कुछ steps थे इसमें
That is
ऐसे
the.
तो-
Yes, yes, इसमें लगेगा time. इसमें is now after that there is a MD simulation. It will take, I think, 2 or 3 days.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why I want to show these graphs so that you can take these commands and run your structures.
Actually, sir, there is a software requirement for the simulation visualization, which is VMD.
VMD for the simulation, which
For the visualizations, जो हमारे पास last में एक simulated structures जो हमारे पास files develop होके आती
no,
है.
उसकी जरूरत नहीं. या देयर इज ए वो है बट उसकी अभी हमें जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज व्हेन अवर ग्राफ इज स्ट्रेट लाइन जब हमारा ग्राफ बिल्कुल सही होगा अगर नहीं होगा देन विल सी दोज थिंग्स.
Okay.
या राइट अगर हमारा ग्राफ बिल्कुल ओके है एंड इफ वी वांट टू रियली टू करेक्ट दैट स्ट्रक्चर तब हमें विजुलाइज करना है कि व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम सो दैट हम उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकें इन दैट स्ट्रक्चर. ओके
Okay, sir.
बट करंटली इफ आवर रिजल्ट्स आर फाइन तो क्यों आप विजुलाइज करना चाहते हो बिकॉज वो भी एक एंड दैट इज अनदर लेवल वर्क. फर्स्टली यू शुड नो द टेक्निक यू शुड लर्न द टेक्निक आफ्टर दैट हम बहुत चीजें करेंगे जैसे कि अभी इन अवर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वी वर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म इन अदर स्ट्रक्चर्स. ओके
सर मुझे भी एक डाउट है.
यस यस प्लीज.
जब भी हम ये लाइसोजाइम वाटर का एग्जांपल लेते हैं और रन करते हैं कमांड तो सब मतलब रिजल्ट्स अच्छे से आते हैं. लेकिन अगर
Yes.
हम कुछ भी अदर मॉलिक्यूल सिलेक्ट करके उसे रन करते हैं तो द रिजल्ट वाज नॉट दैट मच गुड सर. मतलब
No, ऐसा I have performed these results. मैंने ये कर रखा है काम same to same work I have performed and I have published that work. जो मैंने I have shown you जो मैंने बताया अपने पेपर को hypothetical proteins के.
यस सर.
ओके अगर आप उन पेपर्स को ओपन करेंगे सेम कमांड सेम थिंग्स ओनली रीनेमिंग जस्ट इतनी चीज याद रखो कि उस स्ट्रक्चर में कोई ड्रग अवेलेबल ना हो. फॉर एग्जांपल डॉकिंग के बाद तो नहीं कोई सबमिट कर रहा उसको.
ओके सर. क्योंकि क्या
बिकॉज और चेन्स के लिए भी राइट नाउ हम प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे थे उन चेन्स को लेके ए चेन बी चेन सी चेन. तो सिंगल चेन आप सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं इस चीज को लेके भी आपको थोड़ा वो रहना पड़ेगा.
ओके सर. क्योंकि मैंने मतलब रिसेंटली 2-3 मॉलिक्यूल्स सिलेक्ट करके रन किए इस पे.
नो प्रॉब्लम आप अपनी ईमेल मुझे प्रोवाइड कर दीजिए. जो मैंने सिंगल चेन का स्ट्रक्चर बनाया अभी उसको मैंने सिमुलेशन करना है वो मैं आपको दे दूंगा. आप एक बार उसके ऊपर सेम चीज करके देखना क्योंकि उस स्ट्रक्चर में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उस स्ट्रक्चर को मैंने बहुत अच्छे से वैलिडेट करके रखा हुआ है.
ओके सर. ओके.
Okay, so that that structure which is already validated and structure is single chain structure, I'll forward that structure so that आप उसके ऊपर काम करें परफॉर्म करें. फिर आपको पता चलेगा कि there is trouble in your downloaded structure only. Maybe there is some ligand, maybe there is some other error. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Yeah, it's running continuously.
So after running these simulations, what will we be able to conclude?
Yeah. This is a nice question. Okay, just Nishant, just open the results of this. This is the temperature. Just I have shown you. Okay, open this tutorial. Okay. If we'll get this type of temperature graph, then our temperature is constant or there is no problem if this is the same. Then next, phase 2 equilibrium. No problem. Again, next, what we'll conclude that I will, this is the for pressure, this is for density. Next, analysis part. What you want to conclude, this you want to conclude actually, that your structure is stable or not. If your structure is stable with a particular time and root mean square deviation is constant, means your structure can accept that particular drug that you have designed. It is stable, it is in its original form after binding that drug as well. Means in short form, you can say your structure is stable and it is suitable for drug designing. But agar structure stable nahi hai, if structure is not stable, so you can design a drug but structure is stable nahi hai, where that drug will dock. एंड अभी इसमें इन्होंने जो ग्राफ बता रखा है ये भी उतना अच्छा नहीं है. नाउ स्टॉप शेयरिंग योर स्क्रीन निशांत. आई विल शो फ्रॉम माय पब्लिकेशन दैट ग्राफ कैसा होना चाहिए.
Sir, one question actually regarding the Ramachandran plots is also for the stability of the structure, right? So how is this different from?
No. Ramachandran plot is for checking that structure is fine or not, and there is a probability of 90%. But these are the particular conditions we are providing: temperature, pressure, and many other things. Okay, and ions, we are providing some ions, means our structure is stable or not.
So both we have to perform.
Ramachandran plot is not for stability. That is for validation. Structure is correctly generated or not.
Okay. So given the protein, GROMACS automatically decides on the temperature and pressure for.
Actually, what is the meaning
checking.
of simulation? What is the meaning of simulation, first of all? Basically, when we are going to simulate any particular structure, it means we are trying to give some hypothetical conditions. Means maybe the temperature of body is 35. Maybe if we are targeting our human body, what is the temperature, what is the pressure, what is the volume of that particular thing where this protein is present. If that protein is stable or not. If protein is not stable, then you can't design a drug for that particular protein. But for Ramachandran plot, when you are saying about Ramachandran plot, that is for basically the three-dimensional stages. Means, for example, there is loop, some outside or inside. These both are the separate things. Ramachandran plot is for we have generated our structure. That is for ProCheck. ProCheck is basically, you should read about that ProCheck as well. This is basically stereochemical qualities of a protein structure. Residue has residue, geometry. But this is for stability, because geometry is there, but stability means maybe after some temperature or after some pressure, this structure, the configuration of this structure will be changed, can be changed. That GROMACS will decide. Okay.
So that means, like what my question is, the temperature, pressure that this protein goes through the simulation is decided by GROMACS depending on the protein. Or
no. GROMACS will predict. GROMACS will predict those things. Yes, GROMACS will automatically decide, but it will predict, so that we'll validate those things. If we are successful, then it's very fine. If we are not successful, then we'll again try to do any other thing. Okay, this is just a prediction. In all my publications, there is only prediction, because I have not validated these things. I've just run this GROMACS and I have seen that my structures are stable or not. If structures are stable, these are good for designing drugs. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Maybe you will see these things very
So
clearly.
for different temperature and pressure, they will check for the minimum energy to say that the protein is stable.
Whenever you will, when you will do this GROMACS by selecting a particular structure, then you will automatically see we want to, first of all, that structure should be stable for the particular temperature, pressure, or any other conditions. But when you are going to change some things, some commands, you will automatically find how much temperature I have to select. Okay, because it is the part of the literature that you, literature means it is a part of the study that you have designed for your research work. What will be that? That depends on you. That is any microorganism, that is a human, that is any plant, that structure is stable or not. What you want to perform, that depends on the particular literature. Or you are, if you are going to do it first time, then you should select the default parameters only. Okay, but currently you are in the learning phase. That's why we have selected this structure. But one student, Mangal, I think, she asked about that only one structure is performing because this structure is fine. That's why GROMACS has. But I have generated some structures by using this modular only, and I have performed this GROMACS with the same thing. My screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see this. Here, these are the structures that I have generated. See in this diagram, same thing, same I have done with my, by using this GROMACS only, same. Okay, this is the radius of gyration or RMSD we have seen. Now see this particular radius of gyration where we are calculating this black means this is the fully stable structure. Because line is straight, it varies between 1.7 and 1.7. C means how much stable structure is this? But this structure is not stable. This is C. This, how unstable is this? Means it is between 1.2, 4, and maybe above this 4. This is not stable. When we are going to increase some time, it will be unstable. Maybe between 0 to 5,000, it is stable. After that, it is not stable. Maybe due to increase in temperature or pressure, and time is continuously going and it is unstable. But for this structure is stable, which is best fitted for our drug designing. We'll conclude this thing only after running this GROMACS. Okay, this is the one publication where I have shown this. And see, this is the other publication which is basically not available right now. But in this publication, you can see functional elucidation of hypothetical proteins. First of all, we have characterized this, and for their indispensable roles toward drug designing targets. In the same study, what I have performed, I have done 3-dimensional structures, and 3 structures are validated and were also validated using molecular dynamic simulations. And these are the identified for drug designing out of 254 hypothetical proteins. Means at the end of the day, after when I have designed this structure, this study, I found 1539 proteins, out of which 520 proteins are hypothetical. But I was able to characterize 254 proteins. Among these, only 3 proteins are successfully validated for drug designing purpose. Understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will, because if you are working only on a single structure and you are thinking that that is the final structure, actually that is not the thing. Because when you are going to perform a research studies, you should generate one structure, validate that structure, and again check the stability of that structure. Maybe you are fail, then select other structure, third structure, fourth structure. That's why for a single publication, it will maybe it will take 6 months, maybe 1 year, maybe more than that. Okay, because this is the work that depends on the continuity of your setting only. Okay, and I think now you are aware about this GROMACS, and you can first of all try from this example which is already available. And I will forward some structures that are correctly generated by me only. I will forward structures as well, and then start your and then design your study and start doing work by GROMACS, because the technique GROMACS, I have taught you just GROMACS. I have shown you techniques about hypothetical proteins. Now you are able to write a publication up to 3 impact factor, because the same paper, this work, this is in Journal of Biomolecular Structure and Dynamics. I have published in 2018. The impact factor of this journal is, I think, 3.5 or more. And again, this is the second publication that I have published in 2017, but you can say this is the old. I think I more publications in this same pattern. I have see this again. This I have done work on plants. This is a ResearchGate. I will open this in. This is on plants, because those are microorganisms. Somebody is saying microorganisms. This is a very easy thing. So I designed on plants as well. Where is this plant? In 2019 we have published this work. Basically, I don't want to open this in ResearchGate. I'll open this in journal directly. See, in the same work, but this work we have done for tea plant. Same thing. Maybe there are some. Okay, this is paid. Sorry for that. This is paid. But I will show you some data. See how many proteins were there. There were 9390 hypothetical proteins. Okay, of these 213 proteins were hypothetical, and these proteins are not from genome. These are from transcriptome. Transcriptome means only from the from standard subconditions. For particular conditions were blister blight. This is a disease, means particular disease condition of a plant. We have sequenced that plant and we have found that 213 proteins are hypothetical. But why we have selected only 213 hypothetical proteins? Because these basically these proteins are categorized as hypothetical, but we have selected only 213 because these proteins are expressed during that disease. But now you can understand, means the proteins are expressing during disease condition but are in hypothetical category. If these proteins are expressing, they should have some particular role at that particular disease condition. Okay, again I'll speak in Hindi, आप समझ जाओगे. मीन्स अगर कोई डिजीज कंडीशन आई, उस डिजीज कंडीशन में हमने देखा कि कितनी प्रोटीन्स ओवर एक्सप्रेस हो रही हैं, उसमें से हमें 213 प्रोटीन्स ऐसी मिली जो हाइपोथेटिकल हैं बट वो डिजीज कंडीशन में भी एक्सप्रेस हो रही हैं. तो इट्स अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू फाइंड ये 213 प्रोटीन्स हैं क्या. तो आई हैव फाउंड दैट these 213 proteins are in leucine rich repeat category, or working at these are in transcription factors category, some enzymes, ये वो proteins हैं. और out of these proteins 36 hypothetical proteins were upregulated. Okay, finally इन proteins को हमने wet lab से भी validate किया by using QRT PCR analysis, and हमने बोला कि ये these are the particular proteins you can target for drug designing in order to enhance the quality and quantity of the tea plant. Okay, और टी प्लांट की क्वांटिटी और वो होगी तो our economy will in related to tea will definitely affect it. Okay, so you can design a study, discuss with me, and the techniques that I have shown you, that I have shown in this training, you are able to write the manuscript on the basis of these hypothetical proteins by selecting a particular bacteria, plant, any other thing, whatever you want to do. Okay, any other doubt?
Sir, actually, some couple of proteins that we took from PDB today, we were
Yes,
not able
yes.
to do. So you were saying that there already like drug is present, docked.
Maybe. I'm not saying they are. I'm saying because in PDB structures, earlier I told you, even I have submitted some proteins with docking. If I am submitting a protein with docking and I am going to find that stability of that protein without only in lysosome in water, means only in the standard conditions, then I will not be able to generate the processed file. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Partha, I'll tell you one thing. What I will do in a separate session, what I will do, I will generate a structure of a protein by myself and I will validate that protein in front of you. And again, I will forward that protein to Nishant and Nishant will perform on that protein. But we'll not select this particular example.
Okay, that's fine, sir. So my question is, so now
Yes.
if we cannot do GROMAX, we cannot use GROMAX for a structure which is already docked with drug. But if we
Yes.
have to do the stability check for a protein that is already docked with a drug, what is the tool that we use?
Earlier, I have told you, then again, that is GROMAX. Now it's visible protein ligand complex.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that is a separate thing.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, that is a protein ligand complex. MD tutorial is the separate tutorial. But for only checking the stability of the particular structure, that is a separate.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Okay, after docking, you will again check, but protein ligand complex. Okay.
Okay.
Because if you are eagerly waiting for the particular structure which is available, why you will design the same structure? Then you should download the complex and again try to validate, but with separate commands available in
Okay.
GROMAX only. Okay. Yeah, this is the structural part of the structural biology, mainly how to find the active site, how to design a drug. Design the drug means you have here we have selected only one particular benzene ring, and repurposing the drugs means when we'll go for some literature review, this type of things are available. We'll check the stability of the structure. Now, what else is remaining? Only one thing: how to design a particular drug for a particular package. There is a tool which is known as Lig Builder. Lig Builder means ligand builder that will build our drug and will check toxicity by docking. Okay. Previously, I have shown you just a technique, that is rigid docking. Then now what will we do? We'll design a drug by using a Lig Builder tool, or many other tools are available. If drug is already available, we will download that drug and we'll dock that drug by using AutoDock. And if you are aware of all these techniques, I am assuming that you can easily run AutoDock by viewing some tutorials at YouTube, because I am showing you each and everything. But now I want, this is the assignment for you, how AutoDock Veena works. That you have to find for yourself. If you are not successful, then I will help you. Okay, this is the assignment for you. AutoDock Veena. You should install and perform that AutoDock. And
Okay.
I'll give you the time for this. I think 15 days are enough for you. 2 weeks. If you need more, then I'll extend that duration as well. Okay. That depends on you. Whenever you are comfortable, please tell me that you have learned AutoDock. If you have any problem, I'll solve that problem, because now I am assuming that you can do AutoDock because that is tutorial is already available. I will tell you in 5 minutes, but if you learn that tutorial by yourself, maybe you will face a lot of questions that you should, because I want a presentation form, means I want each and everything of AutoDock. I don't want you to focus in a particular thing. This is the drug, this is the structure, just dock, and this is the toxicity, nothing else. Because AutoDock is very important tool, and I want you to read it by yourself, install it, and perform. That is the assignment often I give to my students, so that they will learn that AutoDock, because only on single docking there are several publications, more than 4 or 5 impact factors. Okay, I'll tell you only autodock, docking, structures, drugs. Now, how to run a tool, because previously we have run various tools. No, this is the last tool. I want that you should perform this. Okay, if you are agree, then it's okay. If not, then I'm available, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, going to the last discussion that we had, I expressed my clarification regarding the active site. I was not able to get the PDB from the site that you told me.
Yes, yes.
So, what is the other alternative? Because the initial, the leads.
Okay, okay, no
UTL
problem, no
links,
problem.
yeah.
Yeah, I have searched that as well because I want to. No problem. I'll share a link. That is basically. I'll see that. Then I'll forward to you. Right now, it's not available with me because I have searched for again another thing. And those QSite Finder that those are not available. That site is not still working.
No, sir, it is not. Maybe
Okay, no problem.
I'll
I'll
check
mail
again.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Any other body is facing the same problem or not? Maybe. I'll forward you link and I'll show you. Maybe you will be able to find the sites. No problem. I'll forward the link. Okay. Right now, link is not available with me. I'll forward
Yeah, sure.
so that you will be able to find the active sites of a particular structure. Okay. And then go for docking only. Okay.
So one more question, sir. Like, in what scenarios we go for rigid docking, and in what scenarios we go for this auto dock?
Okay. Rigid docking is basically we don't have any drug. We are presuming that this is the drug and we are going to dock with the backbone structure only. For example, by selecting benzene ring. But for autodock, we will generate that drug by using Lig builder. Means what will be the probable drug for the particular active site. Then autodock means rigid is basically we are forcing that drug to dock the particular active site. Autodock, when everything is fine, automatically the drug will select its target and fit in that particular position.
So auto dock is
Understand?
always preferred. You mean to say?
That is the last step. That is the last step. Means first of all, you have basically it is to check what is the overall circumference of that particular pocket where we want to bind our drug. Forcefully we have bind our drug and then we were able to detect what is the actual dimensions of that pocket, and by using Lig builder we'll design a final drug and autodock will automatically fit that drug in that pocket without forcing. Flexible drug designing is basically we are not forcing to dock that drug. Rigid docking, we are giving this is the active site and this is the drug, now go and dock. This is our order.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is forcefully basically. Rigid, that's why it's known as rigid. Flexible means it automatically will go and dock that particular pocket and then we are successful. But if in auto dock our drug is not going to dock that particular place, then our drug is not fine. Then we should start from beginning. Okay. Any other thing? I think you should learn this. You should read this tutorial, and if Linux system is available, then please try to run this Gromax, install this Gromax, and try to download some structures with single chain, and try to run these commands so that you will be able to learn more things about stability of the structure. Because whenever you would perform by yourself, you will learn more. Then several questions will arise and many things new you can learn. Okay, because I am just in general, I am showing you the technique, the name of the technique, the commands of the technique. Because if we'll go, I'll show you, by showing the things you will not able to learn, but by performing the things you will learn the things. There may be lots of queries in your mind. Maybe you will solve those problems by yourself as well. That is a part of research. Okay, so I think
So,
you should read this. Yes, yes, please.
so if there are many chains, like for example, chain A is not giving an output, but chain B is giving. So why we are taking only a single chain? Because maybe chain A is giving and chain B is not giving like that. Why can't we take all
First
the
of all,
chains?
yes, yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. First of all, I'll tell you, you are taking the structure from PDB or you are generating the particular structure.
So from
If
PDB.
if you are downloading from PDB, there should be a particular chain. So by opening the PyMol, you should remove all those chains. Only one chain should be left there. Means
Okay.
what, which chain you want to target. Download only means just give the command for that particular single chain only. Remove all other chains by using PyMol. Do you know how to remove all those other chains?
Yes, sir.
Just try once by opening PyMol, remove other chains by selecting single chain and try to run this GrowMax. If you are not successful, then I'll try to find what is the probable error of this chain.
Okay, sir.
No, but
Okay.
protein is the combination
Are
of
you
all these chains, no, sir. Like, it's not that one chain
yeah,
which
what?
protein, the protein that we select is a combination of all
No,
these
no,
chains. Like,
Partha will. No problem, no problem. I'm getting your question. Basically, you are saying that is also a separate question. That is for quaternary structure. If we'll perform quaternary structure, there are some modifications as well. Okay. Right now we are talking about only tertiary structure. Okay. For example, in hemoglobin, that is a quaternary structure, monochains, alpha beta chains. What is the actual condition? Okay, there are some modifications and there are continuous modifications. I have modified the algorithms. I am modifying the some commands as well. If you need those commands, I'll provide you, no problem. Okay, but previously first step is to find the stability of a tertiary structure, then we'll move towards the quaternary structure. Okay, I know in the actual condition, for example, in hemoglobin, there are 4 chains, I think.
Yes, sir.
If we want to find the stability of the full hemoglobin, that the scenario is totally different. Because right now we are learning. In learning stage, we'll start from starting, not from backside. From start, we'll start. Okay. So for tertiary, whenever you learn this, then I'll show you how to perform the stability for a quaternary structure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
And
first
sir,
of all, try this.
for
Yes, yes,
these
yes, please.
programs, can we type like common Python program so that we can just change? Because in modular also we were typing every time the whole thing. So is there any technique that we
Basically,
generate?
yes. There are several techniques. We can easily design basically, I don't know, you know about this shell script.
Okay, sir.
Are you aware of shell script?
No, sir.
There is a shell script. It means we have just copied and paste all the commands and what we need. We have changed the name and will give the command to our Linux system, and automatically whenever one result will come, automatically second command will run, automatically third command will run. Actually, I'm using those shell scripts. Okay,
Okay,
means
sir.
not again typing. I'll just give one command and shell script will learn by taking input from one file, output. If there is any error, it will stop.
Okay, sir. Because it
Okay,
takes
there
a
are
lot
some.
of time every time doing all the things, so that's why
No,
I'm
no, no, no. It depends on the practice. It depends on the practice. Yeah, it will take some a lot of time. But I think if you're not aware of some programming languages, I think just copy paste these commands in this text document and copy from here. That will be easy for you.
okay, sir.
Okay. For example, I'll show you the commands that I have. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now see, this is the commands that I have saved in text, where I have given the name this T1723.pdb that I have generated. This is the processed file that come as an output. Now these are all the things I have saved in. Just what I will do, I'll change the name here and copy paste. It will not take so much time, because in the tutorial we'll select next, and we'll find and all other things. And in the same time, what you will do, just open 1 minute. This is the GROMACS. I have generated a tutorial. What I have done, I have saved these commands. I have saved all those things which I need for running GROMACS: eins.mdb, md.mdb, energy minimization, npt, and nvt. These are the 5 things I have already downloaded for running my commands. Means you should download all these things and put in that particular folder where you want to check the stability of the particular structure, and write the commands in single command, in single text, and just copy paste. You don't need to again save link as, save these things. For example, see there: pressure, temperature, potential energy, density, and finally we have given some we have seen some this RMST. And again we see the this gyrate for the radius of gyration. This is the last command. Okay, so you can do things like this as well. But if you are aware of some programming language, you should give the command first, then second, then third, and then fourth. But it will be a heavy, means it will take 4 to 5 months to learn the programming. And by this method is much more easy. Just download all the files and copy paste all the commands in a single file, so that just select paste by just single command, Control F, change the name. You can easily run the commands. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
it will save your time and energy as well.
Yes.
Any other question?
Sir, actually, the modeler that I generated, I think I got 5 models out
Yeah,
of
you have
that.
forwarded me
Yeah.
structure. Yes.
PDB
Yeah, just try on that as well.
5 model. So,
I
but
think you should try.
my question is,
Yes.
like, for those 5 PDB files,
Yes.
each the FASTA sequence for that models is same as my original actin sequence, or these models will have a different sequence?
Which models?
But I don't get a sequence anywhere for all these PDB files that I modeled, right?
Yeah, you got the sequence. Why not open with PyMol and click on S? You can find that sequences are there. You can easily align those.
Okay, I got it. Yeah. So,
Got it.
for that sequence, I can now, but that will be okay. I can use those sequences.
Yes. You can see that the sequence is similar or not. What is the region of the sequence which has been modeled or not? You can easily check by using PyMol.
Yeah.
Okay. Easily you can check, no problem. This is not a big issue. I think if you have any other question, either I'll stop, but please practice this GROMACS. If some Linux system is available, and obviously Dr. Renu, she will help you regarding the access of this system. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. So I think I should stop. And if you have any other query,